I'm one of the facilitators of the Rising Researchers Program. Today with me, I have a parent of a student participant here to answer a few questions about their experience.
Hi, Nicole. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Hi. So as a parent, what made you choose the Rising Researchers Program?
So research is very important for a science field, especially I'm from a science background, engineering background, and it gives children the opportunity to learn more about the subject, get some hands-on experiments. With the COVID lockdown in 2020, we couldn't find such kind of opportunities in 2020. In 2021, when we were looking for research opportunities, we started our search very early. While doing a Google search, Rising Researchers site came up. I reached out immediately and set up the appointment, and that's how we got. So we're lucky to have found Rising Research and engaging through the process.
Awesome. From a value standpoint, why do you feel that Rising Researchers met your, or do you feel that Rising Researchers met your expectations?
So Rising Researchers not only met our expectations, but they actually exceeded. The session we took was appropriately timed, properly paced to explain the subject. The teacher was very articulative, is what I heard. They do experiments, present their work. Ari was very excited to publish his first research paper, and that too in the middle school, post-middle school, rising to a ninth grader. He was very excited about this very new kind of experience. From a parent's point of view, Ari was very happy with what he learned from the 4 weeks from student. He's even planning to expand it and apply the research work for the 2022 California Science Fair competition. So we are very happy with the results.
That's so awesome. We're so happy to hear that. And then my last question would be, would you recommend this program to another family who's looking for a similar experience?
I will highly recommend this for parents, of high schoolers who are looking for summer courses in science and STEM. In science, research is very important, as I said earlier, and giving this early, research work exposure to their kids will give them a very hands-on knowledge about that subject. And Rising Researchers and the teachers did an awesome work on bringing that experience for the students. Giving a college level coursework in a very simplified environment is very important. So very happy about it.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Awesome.